Ethan. This is my 1995 3000 GT VR4 and my 1990 Toyota Supra.
What's up guys and gals, my name is Nathan Nelson. This is my 2002 Acura RS6 Type S.
I'm Joey. This is my 2003 55 AMG.
Michael, this is my 2012 Hyundai Genesis 3.8.
My name is Pagayat, and this is my 2008 Acura TS6 Euro R.
Jay Martinez, this is my 05 TSX.
Precious. 2001 Volkswagen Jetta. 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT V6.
Let's fly till we can't no more. Want you to know you're the one I care for. Walk with me side by side. No, we'll never need to hide. And I will care for you. Yeah, I will care for you. Yeah, I will care for, care for.
Hey, what's up guys? So I'm sitting here editing this video and it's just like looking through all the clips, you know, everything, you know, it just feels good. We finally hit 300 subscribers, you know, you guys keep viewing our videos, keep liking our pictures on Instagram. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you so much from VA, from everyone. Thank you so much for viewing our videos, guys. Thank you for, you know, liking our pictures on Instagram. Thank you for supporting us through all this. You know, I know we haven't uploaded it a little bit, but at the same time, I'm filming and I'm getting these videos together. I just gotta edit them. I got them all on my computer. I just gotta edit them. So more content is coming. Keep your eyes on the channel, and I just wanted, again, a big thank you to all you guys out there who keep watching and liking our videos. We've met so many different people over this last year with so many different cars, so many different stories on why they did what to their car, and we're gonna keep, you know, holding true to that mission, the mission of our YouTube channel, showing off, you know, car culture and what it is, and then, you know, showing off the builds and the builder themselves, because every build reflects that builder and what he or she did to their car as well. So we're definitely gonna keep going with that story. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. If there is a rest of the video, this might be it. Other than that, peace out. Thank you again, guys. This wouldn't happen if it wasn't for you. So again, thank you. See you later.
Hello?
Hey,
Yeah.
we gotta meet tonight. Meet me at my place.
Alright, I'll be there in a bit.
Alright, bye.